So I thought I would redo the EDC video because I'm starting work again tomorrow. It's just an agency job, it's not full time, it's nothing to do with security. I'm working back at the landscaping company that I previously worked for, so that's good. Money's really good. They've told us that it's long-term work, so obviously with it's an agency though, long-term work to them could be 1 day, could be 6 months, but whatever, at least it's work and the money's really good, like I say. So I've changed the EDC a little bit, and like I say, I got a new wallet, so thought I would just redo the EDC. So start off with the phone. Got the Huawei, I think it's the P type or something, I don't know. It's a phone, it does phone things. Watch, Casio G-Shock, the GA100MC. Still haven't changed the strap on it, and I probably won't. So that's the strap. The watch. Bandana. Still got the Trianglia Bundeswehr bandana. So for the flashlight, I've just got the cheapo Chinese made one that I got on eBay. I think it's a tenner. It's been really good. Haven't got a battery in it at the minute because the battery's charging, but that's the flashlight. Not going with a knife, just taking a multi-tool. So I got the Gerber MP600. Keys, got the titanium whistle, Victorinox SD Classic, Uncle Bill's silver grippers, the IR2 EOS, or the I1R2 EOS, and the Gerber shard. And that's the keys. Using the cheapo Uniball pen as well. Maxpedition TCP. It's got coins in it. And lastly, new wallet. Thought I'd give Travax a go again, so I've got the original 2.0. Brand new, just got it today. Had it for 1 hour and already paint's coming off there, and it wasn't like that when it arrived. And there's a little chip there as well, so I don't think the coating's going to last very well, but I think it's going to look really cool once the coating starts wearing off. And that is my personal EDC. So as far as the bag goes, I got the real cheap tactical bag that I bought on eBay for £14. It still works. The strap on it failed though, so I took the zipper off of an old sleeping bag and stitched it on. It's been fine. And I got the 511 Rapid waist pack, and all that's in here is just waterproofs, so I won't bother getting into that. And I got a first aid kit, and all that's in here. I got the tick twisters, band-aids, antiseptic wipes, Israeli bandage, and burn gel, or whatever it is, burn shield. And that's all that's in there. And then in here, hand sanitizer, Got a marker pen. Waterproof dry sack for any electronics, because this bag's about as waterproof as a sponge. And that's all that I've got in there. And then in here, lunchbox. That's another thing I don't like about this bag. The cheap, fake waterproofing that they put on the inside flakes off and it gets everywhere. And the Stanley Legend series. It's all flaking off now. It was rubbery, but now it's starting to turn more plasticky and it's just disintegrating. Well, that's the bag, that's all I'm carrying, and that is my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching.